Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. Today we will create a WordPress website on localhost. No domain is required, no hosting is required. After making this website on your localhost, you can transfer it on the domain and on the hosting. I will also tell all the procedure in next video that how you can, after creating the website on localhost, you can transfer it on new hosting or with domain. So first of all, for localhost, we will go to wordpress.org. Simply visit wordpress.org and click on Get WordPress. Download and install it. After clicking here, download and install, you will have this WordPress 5.7.1. I have already downloaded it, so you just have to download it. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it and click on the bell icon so for the next videos you can have it. Okay, another thing we require for localhost WordPress is XAMPP. XAMPP is basically a localhost server that runs your backend programs on your Windows. XAMPP. Okay, from here you can easily download it for Windows. Just like here, click on here. Any version according to your Windows 64-bit or 32-bit. Okay, I have already downloaded it also and installed it. So first of all, we will go to our C drive where XAMPP is installed. Okay, we will have htdocs folder in our XAMPP. We will unzip it, this WordPress 5.7.1 downloaded from wordpress.org. After unzipping it, we will place it like this here. Okay, so now we will go to localhost WordPress installation. For this, go to localhost. Before going to localhost, you have to run XAMPP. That is this. Go to XAMPP in your cPanel. After installing XAMPP, click on XAMPP control.exe. Your window will be open. Click on Start Apache. Click on Start MySQL. Close it. Minimize it. Then go to localhost, and after clicking on localhost, write localhost / the name of the folder where you have placed WordPress. Click on it. Okay, we have I think there is something wrong in it, so I will delete it as I was already placed it before. So I will create a new unzip file, unzip it. I will unzip it. After unzipping it, I will cut this file inside of the zip file and paste it here. Now we will have a fresh copy. After this, now again go to WordPress, localhost / WordPress for installation purposes. After installing WordPress, we can easily create a stunning website on localhost. Okay, here is the window for installation. Go to select any of language you want for WordPress, then click continue. After clicking on continue, it will ask for database name, username, database password, database host, and table prefixes that will be used once by WordPress. Click on let's go. Database name can be any name. I will write WordPress 123. Username can be root by default. password can be empty by default, database host can be localhost by default, and table prefix anything you want or wp underscore. Click on submit. Okay, we must have to create our database first. In our database /php myadmin panel, we will create a new database with name wp123. Why wp123? As we have already named it here, wp123. Just click on create. Our database wp123 has been created. Now when we will click on submit, it says alright Sparky, you have made it through this part of installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. Now you are ready. Time now to go. Run the installation. Click on it. Okay, this will be the site title. It will be shown here as just like this WordPress installation. So site title will be WordPress Guru by Shopify experts. Username can be admin and password can be any password, but we will remember this password for future use. This will be WP admin details. I will save the password in notepad here with the name pass for future use. Okay, your email can be anything, admin @ WordPress Guru or anything, any email you have, admin @ ecom premium. I have this domain already. I'm just using this email for recovery purposes. Discover search engine. Don't click on it. We have to encourage it, not to discourage. And now click on install WordPress. Okay, WordPress is installed. Go to login. The username was admin and password was what we have already written. Click on login. Yahoo is installed. If you want to see your website how it's looking, then click on open a new link. Here, as you can see, WordPress Guru by Shopify experts. That site title we have entered in site title is installed, and our first post is already installed. So now we would like to customize our this WordPress website. So first thing is to install a stunning theme. We will try Astra theme for better results and understanding. Okay, let's go with I think we should go with a beautiful Astra theme that has pre-built website capabilities. Here is Astra. Click on install. As this is a local host, so it will take some time. It's fetching the data from internet online, so it must take some time. Themes can be of different values or data. It depends. Okay, here you can see our database. Now our database has columns, everything, options, terms. Here was the first prefix that was used by WordPress. It was asking from us in the beginning. Okay, great, it's installed. Click on activate it. It's activated. Okay, we have here extra options. Click on extra options. Starter template. Click on starter template. We don't want to use online templates. Get started. Click on get started. It will install the starter templates plugin to get started. Actually, I want to show you that how you can create a stunning website on localhost. We will use Elementor. Okay, here are the websites we can create. We would like to go with this Learn-Academy. Import complete site. Click on import complete site. I'm a WordPress beginner. I build website for myself, for my client. I'll click on myself. Next, your first name, Shopify expert. Your work email, admin@ecompremium.com. Submit and start importing. Click on submit and start importing. Okay, it's successfully activated plugin Elementor. Now it's importing other plugins and the page data. It will take some time in order to import. So after the completion of this import, we will see that our very stunning new website has been made, created. Actually, it's downloading all the plugins required by demo website or data. You can also create any other website that you like. Now we are just importing the plugins and the forms and customizer settings, content from a new website, WP Learn. Website Learn-Academy is the template name we are just importing. I think it's completed now. The content has been imported. Import complete successfully. Okay, now we will again visit this website on localhost. That's how it looks like. Wow, we have just created an amazing website. Okay, we can see why we are having not showing this progress bar, but we will sort it out later. I'll click on all courses. Actually, the Elementor is being used in this theme. There must be a form or shortcode. Here is the front page, edit with Elementor. Click on edit with Elementor and we will have it. Okay, here is the shortcode as I told you already. This was the shortcode used, so we can have it. Just click on apply changes. We can also delete it and update it, and again we will see the home page will be like this. Now we have a stunning website here. So this was all the simple procedure of downloading and managing a website. After then you can install different functions like Elementor, marketing, analytics, products, WooCommerce. You can change the capability, make it e-com website, cart flows, comments, boxes, comments on your website, posts, the media, everything that you like. I will teach WordPress again very fluently and very slowly in the next website, so that you guys can have it. Have a good day, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then do subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you can get the latest updated videos on WordPress, Shopify and other CMS content management systems, so that you can have it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.